Hello everyone, this is Ganesh and in this video I am going to explain how to divide the polynomials. So here I am going to explain a few examples. Easily you can understand how to divide the polynomials. Yes, here is a problem. 3x cube plus x square plus x divides with x divided by x. So the given polynomial is divided with x. So the divisor is monomial here. Divisor is monomial. So how to divide? So how to divide means here it is one process is there. How can we divide means no need to use the this kind of thing. No need to use the long division method. So directly how to write means 3x cube plus x square plus x divides x. They said. So that means each and every term divide with x. Then when we have to follow this procedure means if the divisor is monomial then we can follow. At the same time the same thing next step we have to write it 3x cube by x plus x square by x, because each and every term we have to divide with the divisor that is x. So divide it here, x and 1x gets cancelled, here x square is left, here 1x 1 is left, here x gets cancelled. Finally 3x square plus here only 1x is left and 1 is left. So this is the quotient we left quotient, right? So in this way we can divide any binomial or trinomials with the monomial in this way. And one more example I'll explain. Now observe this problem, 2x square plus x plus 1 divides x, divides with x. So here if we observe all the three terms are there, but in the one more constant term is there. Then exactly earlier we have done, if we write in that manner, then what happened to x square by x plus x by x plus 1 by x is there. Yes, here x and this one cancel and finally 2x plus 1 plus 1 by x is there. So can we write like this? And one more thing, is this polynomial? It's not a polynomial. Why? Because in the denominator x is there. I told you already, if it is a polynomial, the power should not be negative or fraction. So 1 by x we can write x power minus 1. Here minus negative number is their power. So that's the reason we cannot do these kind of problems. So for these kind of problems what we have to do, just use that long division method. So if we use long division method, then we'll get a quotient, even remainder also. In the earlier problem remainder we got 0, completely it was divided, but this here will get remainder also. How can we do it? Let us see how can we do the long division. Means 2x square plus x plus 1 is there. Then simply draw two lines. If I draw like this, then this polynomial divide with the x. Then what happen? If I divide with x, then here 2x I have to write. Why? Because if we multiply these two, we'll get a 2x square. Otherwise, which number we have to write, you don't know. Means the first term of the divisor, that means 2x square you take it, and the dividend first term, and divided by divisor, that means x. Divide and cancel these two, will get a 2x. So these 2x write it here as a quotient. Then 2x into x, 2x into x. So what happened? 2x square. This one write it here, 2x square. Then after writing this, subtract it. The sign will change, minus. So 2x square minus 2x gets cancelled. And one more term bring down, that is x. Now for this x, again we have to do the same things. That means x, the x by x, just to do it. X by x, that equal to 1. This 1 write it here, plus 1. So 1 into x, 1 into x, x write it here and subtract it. These two gets cancelled. Again another one is 1, bring it down. So here x into something, anything, we won't get constant number, just leave it as a reminder 1, and this is quotient, and this one is a divisor. And we all know that the division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We all know that. So how do we get this dividend? Dividend means this one. So how do we get this dividend? Means first divisor, that means x into quotient 2x plus 1 plus remainder 1. So in this way we can divide these kind of divisions. Let us see how to divide a polynomial with a binomial. Here in the denominator two terms are there, x plus 1 is there. How can we divide? Again, for these kind of things there is no other method. Long division method we have to do it. So in long division method, using long division method, how can we solve it? Let us see. So first we have to write 3x square plus x minus 1 as a dividend. Then draw two lines like this. Draw two lines, and now we have to take it x plus 1 as a divisor, x plus 1 as a divisor. Now after a division we have to find quotient and remainder. Let us see, x plus 1 we are dividing. At this time first what we have to find the quotient, the first term of dividend, that means 3x square, first term of divisor, that means x. Divide it first, x, and here x square means x into 1x cancel, 3x is left. So that 3x we have to write it here, that means as a quotient. Then with this 3x multiply the divisor again, divisor is x, so x into 3x, 3x square. So if we multiply the quotient and this one, that means 1 minute, here 3x we got it. So sorry, 3x into x plus 1, that is divisor. So divisor. So multiply 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 1, 3x. So this whole expression we have to write it here, 3x square plus 3x we got it. Now write it here. So after completion of all these things, now subtract it. How to subtract? Whenever subtracting two expressions or polynomial, whatever it may be, second expression signs become change. This plus is there, becomes minus, plus minus. So here first two terms are same and different signs are there, we can cancel it. And here x minus 3x, that is minus 2x, it is over. Now another term bring down, that is one more term is left, that is minus 1, bring down. So now again to get 2x minus 1, again what we have to do, same procedure, minus 2x is divided with the first term of divisor, that is x. So if we cancel these two, we'll get minus 2. So with this minus 2 multiply divisor x plus 1. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Again this expression write it here, minus 2x minus 2. So if we again we have to subtract it. If we subtract, signs becomes change. So it becomes minus 2x plus 2x cancel, minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is the remainder. This is the remainder we got it finally. Now if you want to check, yes, here I forgot it, this is minus 2 we got, and this is quotient, divisor, remainder. So we can write the formula, dividend is equal to divisor into 3x minus 2 quotient plus remainder. If you simplify this, again you will get a dividend, then the quotient and remainder is correct. That is the checking part. Here is another problem. Here 2x power 4 minus 3x minus 4x cube minus 1 divides x minus 1. So at this time we can observe here the given problem, the powers according to the powers decreasing order we have to write the polynomial. So here 2x power 4, here 1 is there, here 3 is there. That's the reason here I have to write first the highest power x power 4, next highest power minus 4x3, next highest power, actually 2 is not there. So I'll write next one 3x, next minus 1. So this order is very important. After that x minus 1, write it here. Now we have to do the same procedure again, whatever we followed for the first one. Here first step, what we have to do here, the first thing, 2x power 4 divide with x, then we'll get 2x cube. Here 1x and it gets cancelled, 2x cube. Write it here, 2x cube. Then with this 2x cube, multiply x minus 1, the divisor. If you multiply 2x power 4 minus 2x cube, will get it. Write this expression here, 2x power 4 minus 2x cube. Then subtract it. When we are subtracting, signs will change, minus plus. These two get cancelled. First term always cancelled only. So next 4x cube, this one minus 4 plus 2, that means minus 2x cube. One more term bring down, that is minus 3x. So if you bring down, after bringing down, then again same procedure, that is what, first term minus 2x cube divides x, that is what, x and this one cancel, minus 2x square is left, minus 2x square again multiply with x minus 1, then we'll get minus 2x cube, minus into minus plus 2x square. Then write it again, minus 2x cube, and here plus 2x square is there, plus 2x square. Again what we have to do, the same thing again, subtract it. If we subtract, signs will change, plus minus, these two gets cancelled. But here this is x term, this is x square term, so here we can't directly subtract it. Here minus 2x square, write it first, minus 2x square, and here minus 3x, write it. And another term even we can bring down, because anyway if we multiply divisor, 2 terms we are getting. If you bringing down or not, it's not matter. And now what I do, 2x cube first term, x square first term divide with x, then I'll get minus 2x, minus 2x multiply with x minus 1, then minus 2x square plus 2x, write it here, minus 2x square plus 2x, then subtract it, becomes plus minus, these two gets cancelled. Now minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x, now bring down minus 1 down. Now again the same procedure, if I divide minus 5x with the first x, then what happen, x gets cancelled, minus 5 is there, then minus 5 I'm sorry here, yes, now minus 5 I have to write it here again. So whatever value we are getting here, immediately you have to write as a quotient. Then again minus 5 multiply the whole divisor, then we'll get minus 5x and here plus 5, so minus 5x and here plus 5. So after that if we subtract it, that means minus 5x plus 5 subtracted plus minus, these two gets cancelled, finally minus 6 is the remainder. Now in this way we have to divide the polynomials with the binomials. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share it.